Ijewel3d is a revolutionary render platform for jewelry design. Ijewel3d provides exceptional detailing. See your jewelry pieces polished to perfection, perfect from every angle. Realistic online experience. Show off your gems in a way that will leave your clients in awe. Spark imagination. Captivate your customers by showcasing your jewelry in a way that inspires a purchase. Enhanced customer confidence. Customization. We offer services that allow customers to see customizations and personalizations in real-time 3D. This way, they do not have to visualize it, the customization is right in front of their eyes and the decision-making is instant. By providing a comprehensive and detailed view of your products, we help customers make informed decisions with confidence. User-friendly interface. Our user-friendly interface is designed for both jewelry professionals and customers, making it easy to navigate and enjoy the viewing experience.